Okay. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here, welcome back.
I want to tell him them.
Oh, Camden wants to talk to you. Guys, I'm here with my grandson. Go ahead. You can talk. Wait a minute. You can, 1 second. Before we go over there, let's just say hello first. And just say this is Camden. Let them know who you are.
Hey, look, it's a dragon.
It's a dragon. Okay, we're going to go over there, but we just want to say hello to everyone. This is Camden. For those of you who don't know.
Can I hold it?
Yes. Those of you who don't know, I have a grandson, and he has been spending a week with me. So we're trying to find things to do. So we're here at a science museum. Hold on. It's called Discovery Center, and this is our first time here. I see there's a lot of school kids and so on over here. So we are going to check it out today, see what is going on, and I am going to take you along with us. Camden and I are going to have fun. I'll take you with us so that you, just in case you're in the area and you have kids and you're thinking of something to do with your kids, this could be a place that you could come. I will show you in a minute. There's some kids over here. I want to show you the name of the place. It's a Children's Science Museum, but there's some kids right there, so I can't turn the camera around because I don't want to video the kids. But there's also a nice playground across the street. If you want to go on the playground afterwards, there's a nice playground there. This is called Tuscaloosa Park, and this is the City of Ocala Discovery Center. I will show you in a minute, but there's a lot of kids over here, so I have to be careful with the camera. So we'll go visit that afterwards when the kids are gone, okay, Camden? Because there's a lot of kids there and I don't want the camera on the kids. Cammy, you ready to discover? Okay. Where do we start here? What do we have over here? Look. Ooh, look inside of here. You want to go in this room? I know it's dark, but ooh, we can't turn the light on?
The flashlights right there.
Oh, they have
Yes, ma'am.
flashlights. Look, there you go, Cammy, look. Oh, you already have one. Look, he's way ahead of me. You wouldn't be able to see, guys. So, is it flashlight? Let's see what they have. Do you see anything with Cammy? Flash it on there, look. There's something in there. I see water in there. There's something in here. Oh, spiders. Oh my goodness.
I want to use this one.
Oh, that one is brighter. Yeah, use that one. Oh my goodness. Spiders, Cammy.
Ready?
What kind of spider is that? Is that a tarantula?
It's not moving.
Tarantula. It's not moving?
Mm-mm.
Because maybe it's resting right now. There's another one over here.
Where?
Right over there. All the way in the back. Do you see it? It's in the back. Ooh, how many legs?
Another one?
Yeah. Do you know how many legs they have, Cammy?
Ooh,
You want to
it's
count
two.
the legs? Yeah. Oh. No, don't flash it on them. Flash it on the glass. What do they have down there? This Cammy's favorite animal, which is a snake, but a lot of kids came in there, so we had to leave because the kids are bigger, so they kind of take up the glass. So, where are we going now? Okay. Let's see. Okay, okay. Fish. You can look. They have a little step for you. Look. Stand up on a little step. There you go. So you can see. You see that? Oh, look at this one over here. Can we see that one?
What is that? Pick me up so I can see.
Pick you up so you can see. Oh, you see it there?
What is it?
Some kind of a. I gotta look and see if there's a name for it. Oh, that looks like a shrimp. Look at it over here. Is that what it is? See? Looks like a shrimp.
Yeah. And it's mini. It's Nemo.
Over here.
What is this?
Oh, Cammy, look, there's a big lizard. Up top here, look.
Where?
Let me show you. Oh,
What is it?
that's one on there too.
It's
Oh,
Madagascar.
I gotta put my glasses on so I can see to tell you what these things are.
I can't see it.
Oh, it's called a bearded dragon. Step up here. Step up. Step up. Right there, look, on the rock. See the same color as the rock?
There's a spider. It's underneath.
It's called a bearded dragon. That one right there.
Spider. There's a tarantula and I.
They're over there. Let's just wait till they're finished, okay?
That's the scariest
See?
spider in the world.
That's a big one.
There.
There, look, the turtle is over here. Look, you see?
Now let me see.
There's a turtle. You see the turtle? Yeah.
It's a real turtle.
It's a real turtle. It's alive. And this is where it lives. Yeah.
Let's let's see the spider.
Okay. Where's the spider? I don't know. Maybe you gotta look in there good. I don't see it. But I'm sure it's in there somewhere.
Is it in here?
You see it?
Yeah.
It's under there? Is it a big one?
Wait, that's not what this is just wildlife in general.
See what's on this next one over here. Is there something in there?
What's in there?
I don't know. Go look.
Wow, that's your eye.
Lost among the kids,
Wait,
guys.
what's this?
He's lost among the kids.
A spiny-tailed lizard. I don't know.
Look at the massive one down there.
Yeah, it's right there. Whoa! There's a baby alligator. Look at that! Wait, it changed colors. That's so cute. It's scary. It's gonna eat you. This is
Oh, he's looking at you. He wants to talk to you. He's
Buy
looking
my
at the
finger
light.
for $5. Buy my fingernails for $5. What kind of big?
But let's go and see what's upstairs now. There's an upstairs. Going up. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Upstairs, yeah. We're gonna take that flashlight back. You weren't supposed to leave with that. Going up. Let's see what's up here. Going up. Oh, this may be for the bigger kids. Going up. This may be for the bigger kids, Cammy. But let's see what they have. Whoa. What do we have here? They're birds. Yeah. Look, they got a vampire fish. And a vampire bat. Ooh. A bat, see? This is a bat right here. You want me to hold a flashlight for you? Oh, he's now putting on the flashlight. Okay, come. Turn it off. There you go. Okay guys, we are about to leave. Cammy had a good time. Camden?
Nobody out here.
Nobody out here now. Come on, talk. Come here. Tell everybody what you saw and if you enjoyed.
Ants are gonna bite.
No, look here. Look over here. Talk to everyone. Take your hand out your face.
It's burning me.
Your eyes are burning you? I don't want you to rub your eyes because your hands were all over the ground. Did you have fun? The sun is hot. Okay, let's go to the car. All right.
No, I want to go to the park.
We're not going to no park now. It's getting kind of late, baby cakes. We're going to go get some food to eat and then we're going to go back to the... What? Oh! That's a lizard. Grandma don't like lizards. There's a lot of school-age kids that I guess maybe like a camp or so that's there. So there's a lot of bigger, older kids there. So, but he had fun. He saw what he needed to see and he played around for a bit. So now we're gonna go. There's a park over there. He wants to go. It's hot. So I'm see if I could talk him out of it and maybe take him to... You wanna go Chick-fil-A for lunch? Something's coming. Coming hold my hand. You wanna go get lunch? Okay, yeah. The sun is bothering him. It's bothering me too. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on.
I want to go there first.
He wants to go to the park first. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes, okay? Because it's hot. Go on. How are you gonna say no to the kids? Especially your grandkids. How are you gonna say no? Okay, you got 2 minutes and then get grandma oldest son. Okay, what are we gonna do? Oh, that's nice over there. It says bring a book, take a book.
The sun attacked. No. The cold attacked the sun.
The what?
The cold.
The cold attacked the sun?
Yeah.
I never heard that one, but the cold attacked the sun. Okay, go on up. I like this here. It says bring a book and take a book. So you can drop a book off. This one says how to parent so children would learn, and some other books. So if you have books that your kids maybe have grown out of, just bring them and drop them off there. I like that. All right, we ready to go now? All right, you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go get the car.
A big one.
A big one. Oh, the ducks, geese. There's the water over there, so they probably, but they have food there, so that's probably looking for food.
Love you, Camden.
Love you.
He said, love you. Bye. Guys, we stopped here in IHOP to get some lunch because we're both hungry. Camden has chicken and waffles, right? It's hot. Let it cool if it's hot.
It's not hot.
It's not hot? Okay, he has chicken and waffles. And thank you.
You are very welcome. If
Say
you need anything, my name's Heather, okay?
Okay, thank you, Heather. And I have here what is this? A Colorado omelet and some pancakes. So we're gonna enjoy lunch, and then Cam, you gonna take a nap today? You're not gonna take a nap. He haven't been taking nap, but he's on vacation. All right, guys, I'll eat and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, guys, Camden and we just finished our lunch, so I'm gonna run a few errands now, and he's gonna go with me. So we are gonna end this video because sometimes, guys, I forget to end the video. So I don't want to forget. So I just want to say thank you guys for being here. We had fun. I hope you guys had fun as well. And I hope you discovered something new. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment because I love to read your comments. Camden, you want to say bye? We just finished a nice lunch at IHOP. You want to say bye to everyone?
Bye.
You told me you want to talk to your friends earlier. Do you want to talk and tell them? Do you want to tell them anything about Discovery Center? No? Okay.
Yes.
What I mean, you didn't say anything, now is yes? Okay. Go ahead, you can talk from there. What do you want to say?
We saw the dragon.
You saw the dragon? A bearded dragon?
On the grass.
And what else you saw?
Monster.
A monster?
Yeah.
There was no monsters there.
That's a monster.
You saw a snake? You were asking about snakes. You saw snakes?
We saw a snake.
And you saw spiders,
We
tarantulas?
saw a white spider. We saw the white snake.
You saw the white snake. You saw lots of stuff, didn't you?
And we saw another snake.
Okay, say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. All right, guys. Until next time. Bye bye.